Hello everyone, this is Veer and welcome back to my channel The Tech Creator. Guys, I am going to unboxing Cooler Master Universal Vertical GPU stand. So guys, you can see from Amazon. In this video, I will show you how to install also. Now I am going to unboxing. Delivery salan. You can see guys, Cooler Master Universal Vertical Graphic Card Holder version 2. So guys, now let's open. User manual, a screw, and you can see guys, you can adjust in this way. And this is the riser cable. Lock. In this way, you can see guys. Now I will show you how to install. So guys, I will install in this cabinet. So now let's shut down the PC. Install the riser cable. Can see guys. See, now in this way I will install the cable. Now in this I will install. You can see guys. You can see guys. You can see guys. So guys, now power on the PC. You can adjust the vertical. You can see it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.